Hey everybody, this is Jody Lane here from the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, and I am so excited to remind you that we have our last Wellness Matters of this year coming up in a couple of days. It is Marlyn Diaz, who is actually in California right now, but she's gonna come to us on Zoom, and she's gonna talk to us about the Well-Nourished home. She's gonna give you all sorts of tips and tricks to kind of clean out your pantry, clean out your kitchen, clean out your candles, all the things in your house that may not be as good for you as you think. She's gonna go through those things and tell you how you can create the most well-nourished home to match your well-nourished body. I keep putting this book up because this is a book by her, and we're going to be giving away a couple of copies on the event. So if you want the book, if you want to get some of this information, by all means, please join us on Thursday, July 22nd at 6 o'clock with Marlyn Diaz. Go to our website, make sure to hold your spot, get the Zoom link, and we'll see you there.